Hey, this is Glenn from Digital Synergy, and in this video, we're going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube without AdSense. In fact, you'll discover why AdSense is not the best strategy for making money on YouTube and what you should be doing instead. So stay tuned. Okay, so before I get into what I think is the best strategy to make money on YouTube, let's first talk about why AdSense is not such a good strategy. First of all, yes, it's true there are many YouTubers who make a comfortable living off of their YouTube channels. There's also a very small elite group that make an extraordinary amount of income from the videos they create and by using AdSense. The problem is that for the vast majority of people who are trying to make money with AdSense, success just doesn't come that easily. Why? Well, in order to even apply for the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to make money from YouTube views, you'll need to have at minimum 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now, for most people, this is not that easy to achieve, especially when you're just starting out. Also, there are many variables that determine how much money you will get paid using AdSense, but on average, you can expect anywhere from $1.50 to $3 for every 1,000 views. So, that's a lot of views that you need to make any type of significant money. Now, remember, again, I'm not saying that you can't make money using AdSense, but what I am saying is it's probably not the easiest way, especially if you're just getting started, because you first need to meet the minimum requirements of the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to even be eligible to apply. You're really unlikely to make any real money until you start getting some real significant traffic and real engagement and views from the people watching your videos. So what is a better strategy for making money with YouTube? Well, let me show you. So instead of relying on YouTube's partner program and getting paid by views, the better strategy to go with, and a lot of people making money with it, is using affiliate marketing to promote other people's products. It's easy because you don't have to worry about coming up with your own product. You just join a program, you promote it, and you earn commissions. Now, this is the easiest way if you're just getting started because, again, you don't have to come up with your own product. You just sign up and you can start getting commissions by promoting other people's products. Now, this will also work if you have your own product or your own service, okay? But I'm just using affiliate marketing as an example because many people, they don't have their own products. So it's just a good way to get started right off the bat. Now, this also is a great strategy because it basically gets your videos on the top of Google and YouTube for any product or any service. And instead of getting paid per views, you're actually getting paid from the people that are clicking on your links and purchasing the products. And the other thing is, unlike traditional SEO, you won't have to wait 6 months to a year or even longer to see any real results. So let me show you some real live proof of what I'm talking about. And this strategy comes from an internet marketer. His name's Paul Murphy, and he's cracked the code to getting products and services to the tops of the search engines. All right, so let me show you some examples, and these will be. I'm going to show you some of my proof as well, but let me show you his at first. So let me show you his first. Okay, so let's type in Kartra trial. Okay, so here he is. This is what's referred to as the Google carousel. Okay, as you can see, this is prime real estate. Sometimes it actually appears right here ahead of any ads or even closer to the top. But in this case, there he is. He is right here. He's also number 1 on this carousel. Okay, so let's try another one. Okay, so this is Demio Trial. These are softwares, okay? So again, these are not his products. He's basically promoting them as an affiliate. As you can see, he's right there, number 1. Let's see if he's anywhere else. So that's the end of them, okay? So number 1 on that. And if you notice, these are what's referred to as buyer intent keywords. So these are people that are searching for these products. They already know about them, and they pretty much just want some more information. So here he is again, number 1. Let's try another one. Okay, here again and again, right there, prime real estate, again and again. All right, and okay, so let me show you some examples of my results, because I've been using his strategy as well. And let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to bring in a what's called an incognito window, because this way, if I'm searching for stuff on YouTube or on Google, if I'm logged in, it basically will favor my results. So I don't want to I don't want it to do that. So as you can see, I'm not signed in, and let me show you some results here. So for GroovePage's trial, okay, here, this is me, okay, and this, I just posted this 5 days ago, so it shows how quickly this gets ranked. This actually ranked the same day. So let's go to another one. GroovePage's free trial. Okay, here I am. I'm number 2. Okay, let's see if I'm in any other one. Yeah, here I am again. And these are Paul. This is Paul here. Sorry, this is Paul. And yeah, okay, let's try another one. GroovePage's best free funnel builder. Okay, this is me. Okay, Digital Synergy. This is me right here. Okay, let's see if there's anything else, or if there's any. Okay, nope, but I am right there, number 1. So let's keep going. I want to show you actually some examples in YouTube. So GroovePage's trial. Here I am, right here, number 1. Okay, GroovePage's free trial. Here I am again. Here I am again. Here I am again. Here's Paul. And GroovePage's free funnel builder. Okay, this is me right here, number 1. This is me, number 1. This is me down here. This is me again. So as you can see, I'm basically dominating the space here. Let's try this one. Lifetime pricing. Here I am, number 2. And here I am again. Digital Synergy. Okay, and GroovePage's pricing breakdown. Okay, this is me right here, number 1, because this is an ad. Okay, so what's great about the system is that you don't need thousands of views or tons of subscribers, because we're basically going after keywords that have, as I mentioned before, buyer intent. Okay, so this means people are searching for these keywords, and they're actually ready to buy, and they're just looking for some more information, a little bit more information, some validation. This also means that the conversion rates are going to be much higher for this system. And actually, I'm going to show you something right now, a clip where Paul shows you where he's getting over 50% conversions and from his commission. So let me show you this real quick. All right, so I'm just going to play this clip real quick for you, just so you can see.
Now, what we've also discovered, I'll just show you some stats as well. This is today alone. We've generated 10,557 in commissions for ourselves, and this is just from 3 products. This is just one of my channels, and we've generated 55,641 for the vendors. So we'll be getting some nice Christmas presents off them, I should imagine. And we also get over 50% conversion. And by the end of the day, I mean, it's actually only 11:30 in the morning at the moment, but by the end of the day, it's probably like 10,000-15,000. And then we'll be generating 50, 60, 70% conversion. So yeah, basically.
All right, so that's Paul, and that's him showing you how he's getting over 50% conversions with this strategy. It's pretty incredible. So if you want to learn more about the strategy and how you can get to the top of YouTube and Google, just click on the link below for a free training by Paul. And also, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think about the strategy below in the comments. So click on the link below to get your free training, and I'll see you next time.